Gents, Menfluential 2020. It's the last one, so you know we gotta go. So, why not? Alright, gents, day one of Menfluential. About to get dressed so I can make it down to the ambient on time. Let me get dressed, and then we'll head on down to Menfluential. Alright, y'all, this is my man Rich from Assemble Style. Check out his channel, man. His channel was great. He do a lot of reviews. He give you style tips just like we do here at Dapper Aristocrat. So check him out, man. He's pretty hilarious, man.
Yeah, man, I'm alright. I mean, it's not as hilarious as JoJo, but
oh my God,
huge fan of his channel, bro. Look at this. How you even dress exactly like him, man.
we dress similar, but man, you know.
This conference is about friendship. The friends that I have met. From Antonio to Mike Plucker, who's been here every single time. The list goes on and on and on. And when I look out at this crowd, it's nothing but friends. If you guys ever need anything, please, I'm going to give you Antonio's phone number. Reach out to him.
All right, y'all. I got my man right here, Mr. Martinez. Well, I guess you got to check out his channel. He does a lot of reviews. And you definitely got to check out his Instagram. His pictures are fire, so check out his Instagram. I'll link him in the description below. You can check out his Instagram and his YouTube.
Oh my gosh, bro, I can't believe it, dude. And Steve and Ivan Martinez. I'm such a fan. Oh my goodness. You guys inspire me. Seriously, oh my goodness.
You're welcome, man. You inspire me, sir.
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. Oh, please give me some hacks.
Rich from Assemble Style, y'all. Check him out, man.
Yeah. Thanks so much for the shout out, brother. Yeah, so definitely go ahead and check everything out. We'll leave it down in the description with Steve. We like what you're doing on your channel.
Appreciate it.
So want to see you continue to grow and everything else. So let me know if you ever want to collab or anything like that.
Sure, I'm down. Outfit of the day. All right, y'all. Ties from Tie Bar. So is the lapel pin, the handkerchief I got out of the gentleman's box. This suit is made by Indochino. Shirt is Calvin Klein. Shoes are Beckett Seminar. Outfit of the day. All right, gents. Day 2 of Menfluential. I didn't get to film that much stuff yesterday. I was just enjoying myself too much, so please forgive me. Today I'm gonna try to get a little bit more stuff. There's a lot of speakers I'm interested in today. Style OG is one of the main speakers. 40 Over Fashion is also another speaker I'm very interested in hearing from. So, wearing a bow tie today, but it's still a little casual with the Chelsea boots and chinos. More details for the look. It includes a bow tie, I think made by the Penguin Company. Shirt, polka dot navy blue. Made by Goodfella and Company. You can't spend a lot of money all the time to look fly. Sometimes you gotta save your ducats to look your best. Jacket, Banana Republic. Pants is from the Goodfella and Company as well. You know, I love their chinos, and so had to incorporate that today because they look so great. And last but not least, Chelsea boots, which are from Beckett Seminar. If you're interested in Beckett Seminar, I got a link in the description below. So hit my link and use my code to get a 20% discount off your purchase. One of the guys I want to highlight is Rich from Assemble Style. Me and Rich go back to 2018 Menfluential. We've been rocking out together for 3 years now, taking this YouTube journey together, man. It's always great to journey with somebody, especially when they got the same goals as you. So that's one of my guys. This YouTube thing is a hobby, something that I really enjoy doing, and it's a lot of fun. I appreciate you guys' support. I appreciate you guys following me. You know, this is a great journey, man. I love doing the YouTube thing. It's a lot of fun. I appreciate you guys' support. Your support means a lot to me. I just want you guys to know. So I appreciate you guys' support. It really means a lot to me. I just want you guys to know that. All right, guys, so this is Antonio, one of the founders of Menfluential. I just want to thank you for having this event, man. It's been a lot of great things. It's been encouraging to me, so I just want to thank you for that, man. He called me one day, y'all, and it was a great conversation we had. So thank you, man. I appreciate you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming out. You know, I'm always humbled that people spend the time, they spend the money to come out here and just spend time with me, Aaron, and the guys. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. So thanks, man.
Yeah,
appreciate
you're welcome.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks for having me, man. All right, y'all, I'm on the search for this icon from Anson Belt. If I find an icon, I can get a free belt. I love their belts, they're great. So I'm gonna try to find one so I can get a free one. So we'll see what happens.
Story until now, publicly. In May 2019, about 2 months after being here at Menfluential last year, and a few weeks after I turned 50 years old, I was this close to being homeless. Now, keep in mind, my YouTube channel had just exploded a few weeks before all of this happened, and I was still uploading 2 videos every single week. But I was doing it with a very fake smile on my face. So let me take a step back and I'll sort of let you guys know how I got to this point.
So you hang on phone. I think I was gonna find it, so I'm hopefully I get something really just spin the wheels. Let's see what happens.
And what happened at the time, I had a business partner who was my best friend. We had a bad falling out. I told the story a little bit yesterday. And so what happened, I went from bringing home 30, 40 grand a month to the next month I brought home 0. Because our fight was so bad, our accounts got frozen. I went to the ATM machines with the raw money, my balance was 0. All my accounts were closed. So I had to start living off my savings. I pouted for a little while, brushed myself off and said, okay, I have a problem. I had to start over. Close that practice, started a new practice. Problem was I had to work 4 times as hard to get half of the success I had before. So once I climbed halfway up that mountain, I was physically, mentally, emotionally exhausted. Kind of didn't want to be a chiropractor anymore. So at the time, this is around the time when I started watching a lot of YouTube style content, and I really felt I could do it. So I said to myself, I'll continue with the chiropractic thing, but I think I want to transition into doing the YouTube channel. So that's how we kind of got from that guy to this guy, but they kind of existed at the same time.
All right, gents, that was the last Menfluential. And I'll be honest with you guys, man, I'm pretty sad about it. That's one of the greatest events I've been to in a long time. I've learned so much stuff going, and I've built so many new relationships. I mean, a lot of the YouTubers that I watch in regards to men's fashion, they actually know who I am, and that's a huge deal to me. So just going to events like that not only introduce you to some of your favorite YouTubers, but also to new YouTubers. Please make sure you check out the YouTubers that I showed you guys, such as my man Rich from Assemble Style, Mr. Martinez, my guy, my new homie. Also some guys I didn't even show you, which is my man Ian from Fitman Style. He has a great channel for all you fit gents out there that's having issues with clothes and can't find clothes that fit you well. Oh, I got a few things that I'm very excited about. First thing was this Anson belt. I'm very excited about this. I wear Anson belts every day. I have like a cognac color Anson belt, and I have a navy blue and white Anson belt. But now I have a solid navy blue Anson belt with this nice buckle. Also, I got a pair of Thursday boots, which is a boot that I've been very interested in trying. So shout out to Thursday Boot for giving me these boots. I'm definitely gonna do a review on them and also some lookbooks as well. So be on the lookout for those videos in the future. I also got a concealer tool that I got from John from the Cavalier. And I didn't know he was starting his own brand. I really didn't know that. But the product looks great. It actually looks like a pen. I'm not familiar with the product, so I got to do my research to see what this product is, and you'll probably see me do a review on this product as well. So be on the lookout for that. Great event overall. Shout out to Aaron and Antonio for throwing a great event. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.